from California. And as you see today, I have a box from Baby Knee in Vietnam. I have ordered. I have made an order with them, and here is the package that I received. I don't remember that how many packages that I have received from Baby Knee, because actually I am their regular customer for about 2 years already. So it must be around 20 or 30 packages already. And as you see, I have ordered around 8 lots, 8 packages in this, 8 lots in this one, and they have packed for me a beautiful box, this yellow box like this, which contain 8 pieces inside. Oh sorry, 8 lots inside. And today let's unbox them with me. Let's unbox this one and see what do we have inside this one. Alright, here I have a knife, and let's see. We will open that. And I have ordered several packages for Christmas and for spring as well. And I expect that they must be very beautiful. Let's see what do we have here. Alright, I have it here now. Okay, let's see. I have a beautiful one for the springtime, and this beautiful one as well for Christmas. And ooh, I have a Santa Claus here, right here, the hand smell one, and another one for spring. There you guys. And the ballerina for the spring as well. What else do we have? Hey, this one for Christmas. A lot, right? And these beautiful things for spring as well. And I really want to open one of them to show you guys the quality of the product too. Put this one on the side. So I think I will put this one as a best. There you go. It's a fun to put it like this. And here I have a package for the Santa Claus. Let's see, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 pieces in this one. And here is one product. It is packed in the the nylon package like this. And here is the beautiful set. There you go. Look at this. The beautiful set inside with the Santa Claus item here, hand smoke one. And because we have one for Christmas already, so I will take one for springtime. Let's go with this ballerina one. Alright, let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 pieces as well. Okay. And here it is. I have 5 years old. Let's see how large the 5 years old is. Here, a very beautiful dress. Look at this. I will go closer. The beautiful dress here with ballerina here, and the fabric is so good, guys. It is really soft, and the quality of the button, or look at this, or the sewing line as well, really good with the quality of the fabric too. Alright guys, yeah, so they are the package that I have in here, and of course I have a plan to sell them already. In my opinion, with my experience of ordering things from Baby Knee, they are the company with very good quality to purchase. They have the very affordable price for our the wholesale one as well. And of course, I will recommend this one to you guys as one of the company that we should purchase. We have benefits from them. And of course, that with the order from Baby Knee, we can have the business, very good business with the children clothing as well. So, as I have bought Baby Knee's product for many years, I can guarantee to you guys that they have bring to me a lot of product with the best quality, and they bring to me many profit as well. And even and sometimes when the product have some mistake, some small mistake, they always give me the best solution for them as well. Okay, thank you very much for watching the video. Goodbye.